I had a comment in my binary addition video about simplification. So we'll say binary addition simplification. Alright, and the problem that I set up is, let's say we had a whole bunch of binary numbers, 10110 plus 01110 plus 10111 plus 0101, and we just had a whole lot of numbers and we're adding them together. Well, and our final result, let's say we get, I'm just going to separate these by commas to make it easier to see which column's which. So we'll come down here, let's say we get 27, 32, 6, 7, and 9. And we want to simplify this. The question was, how would we do that? Well, first I'm going to write the same thing up here, except I'm going to split it out, separate it a bit more. So 27, 32, 6, 7, and 9. If you recall, if we have a 2 in this column, we can change it to a 1 in this column. So that means any time we have a multiple of 2, we can divide it into 2 and move it over. So let's change this column to 8 plus 1. Well, the 8 gets divided by 2, so, and changes to 4 plus 7 here. So 8 divided by 2. And then this column is now 11. So our second column is 11. So far what we have is 27, 32, 6, 11, and 1. Oh, we can continue dividing stuff by 2. The last column here is already done, so we know it's going to be an odd number. And take this 11, that changes to 10 plus 1. And then 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Well, we know, we'll write down what we have so far. We'll write that again. 27, 32, 11, 1, and 1. That's what we got so far. Let's repeat this pattern again. We have 11 in this column. We can change that to a 1 and move 10 over. And change it to a 5. So we'll end up with 37 in this column. 37, 11, 1, 1, and 27. In 37, we can take 1 out of that and end up with 36 plus 1. The 1 will stay there. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Oh, that should be down here. So 18 plus 27 is 45. So we end up with 45, 1, 11, oh, I'm sorry. 45, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 45 divided by 2, or 45 minus 1 is 44, and we can divide that by 2 and get 22. So 22, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Did not mean to have all these 1s in this. Well, since we have 22 here, we know we can split that to, change that to 0 and move 11 over. We can move 5 over and change that to 11 to 1. Change that 5 to 1 and move 4 over. Change that 4 to 0 and move 2 over. 2 to 0 and move 1 over. So our final number is going to be everything on the bottom here. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So far I'm right here. 1, 1, 1, 1. And this is the final answer if we had converted this.